The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is changing the way we understand the universe. For decades, scientists have relied on telescopes like Hubble to capture stunning images of galaxies, stars, and planets. But Webb is different. It is the most powerful space telescope ever built, designed to look deeper into space and further back in time than any previous instrument. Launched on December 25, 2021, and positioned about 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, the telescope sits at a stable point in space called Lagrange point 2L2, allowing it to observe the universe without interference from the Earth or Moon. This unique position helps Webb capture extremely faint signals in infrared light that would be impossible to study from Earth or even low Earth orbit. The real magic of the James Webb Telescope lies in its ability to detect infrared light, light that is invisible to the human eye. When we look out into space, the light from distant galaxies stretches and becomes redder as the universe expands. This process is known as redshift. Hubble could only detect part of this stretched light, but JWST can observe deep infrared wavelengths, allowing it to see objects formed over 13.5 billion years ago, just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. In simple terms, Webb is like a time machine that lets us watch the earliest chapters of the universe's history. One of Webb's most surprising discoveries is that the early universe appears to contain galaxies that are far brighter and more massive than scientists predicted. According to old theories, galaxies should have formed, slowly taking billions of years to grow large. But Webb has detected giant galaxies that existed very early in time, forcing astronomers to rethink how fast stars and galaxies can develop. This discovery has raised many exciting questions. Did stars form differently in the early universe? Are our models about cosmic evolution wrong? Or is there something unknown happening that science has not yet understood? Webb is not only giving answers, it is creating new mysteries. Webb is also revolutionizing our understanding of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Using a technique called spectroscopy, the telescope analyzes starlight that passes through a planet's atmosphere. This helps identify chemicals and gases such as water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and possibly even molecules associated with life. Already, Webb has detected complex carbon-based molecules in the atmosphere of distant planets like WASP-39b, something never achieved before. These findings bring us closer to answering one of the biggest questions in human history: are we alone in the universe? Another fascinating achievement of Webb is its ability to peer into star-forming regions hidden behind thick clouds of dust. Hubble could not see through these cosmic clouds, but Webb's infrared vision reveals what is happening inside them. Images like the famous Pillars of Creation show newborn stars being formed inside giant clouds of gas. Webb's detailed view of these regions helps scientists understand how stars are born, how solar systems like ours form, and how planets develop. The telescope has also observed the atmospheres and surfaces of planets in our own solar system. Webb captured stunning details of Jupiter, including polar storms, auroras, and tiny rings that are difficult to detect. It has studied Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, uncovering patterns that scientists never expected. It has even taken a close look at comets and asteroids, showing that Webb is not only a time machine but also a microscope for our cosmic neighborhood. What makes the James Webb Telescope so inspiring is not only its scientific achievements but the philosophical impact it has on humanity. Every new image reminds us how small Earth is and how big the universe truly is. Billions of stars, billions of galaxies, and possibly billions of planets capable of supporting life. Webb helps us see that the universe is far more complex, beautiful, and mysterious than we ever imagined. It challenges us to think beyond daily problems and remember that we are part of something much larger. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just showing us distant stars, it is showing us our past, our origins, and possibly our future. It may help reveal how life began, how galaxies evolved, and whether intelligent civilizations exist somewhere else among the stars. As Webb continues its mission, the discoveries will only become more surprising, and its impact on science, technology, and human imagination will last for generations. If you enjoyed this article and want more deep space, science stories, mysteries of the universe, and future discoveries, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Stay curious. The universe is just beginning to reveal its secrets.